Colors all around us, strings and hand we played. Laughing with my friends.
Today's project is a Cobra. It's a in-weave stitched, meaning it's being stitched at the same time as being weaved. It's a Cobra base, and all paracord used is 4mm, and for the stitching is 2mm. We're using a 4-strand core consisting of 2 strands at 15 inches long, 38.1 centimeters, melted together to form a loop, both connected to form the core. Now the Cobra part of the weave, we're using blue and purple melted together to form one strand. They are 36 inches each and 91.44 centimeters. The in-weave stitching is rainbow paracord. It's 38 inches long, 96.52 centimeters. And you may need this stuff too. Now, I'll tell you what, let's do it. We're going through the side of both cow hitches and through.
Colors all around us, strings and hand we played. Laughing with my friends here, feels like a parade.
Yeah.
Twisting loops together,
And the 2mm
something new. Brighter woven
going just above each color.
just for me and you. Bracelet party all night long, singing loud our happy song.
Start. Make sure we got the centered here.
Fun and friendship never end.
And we do. Now we're going to start from the left, going down in between 3 and 4.
Patterns like a rainbow, knots that never fray. Stringing up the
Now,
good times, that's
coming
our
up
everyday.
in between 1 and 2.
Bracelet party all night long,
Alright,
singing loud our
now taking the purple
craft and
regular Cobra on the right side, going over, and then the blue over, under,
holding tight
and there we go.
made with strings and laughter.
Now, from the left side, from the right side,
Bracelets ever after.
it goes across, down in between 1 and 2. Then from the bottom, comes up in between 3 and 4. Tighten and go back. Now from the left side, goes over, and it goes over, under, up to the loop, and we tighten. Back on the string there, here. Now from the left side, goes over, down in between 3 and 4. Snug it down there, and up in between 1 and 2. All the way up tight. Now, continuing to do the Cobra. Over, blue, over, under, up from the bottom, tighten. Now, right, the right side, 2mm, down in between 1 and 2. Make sure it's tight. Then comes up in between 3 and 4. Purple always leads. Over. And the blue over, under, up to the loop. Now you seen it. If I go too fast, just pause it or scream and yell, tell me to slow down. It's a really simple weave.
Colors all around us, strings in hand we play. Laughing with my friends here, feels like a parade. Twisting loops together, making something new. Bright and woven bracelets, just for me and you. Bracelet party all night long, singing loud our happy song. Crafting joy with every thread, fun and friendship never end. Patterns like a rainbow, knots that never fray. Stringing up the good times, that's our everyday. Bracelet party all night long, singing loud our happy song. Crafting joy with every thread, fun and friendship never end. Holding tight to memories, made with strings and laughter. Endless fun with colors bright, bracelets ever after. Colors all around us, strings in hand we play. Laughing with my friends here, feels like a parade. Twisting loops together, making something new. Bright and woven bracelets, just for me and you. Bracelet party all night long, singing loud our happy song. Crafting joy with every thread, fun and friendship never end. Patterns like a rainbow, knots that never fray. Stringing up the good times, that's our everyday.